Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete multiple files in Google Drive easily. So simply you need to open your web browser and then you need to write google.com.pk. After this you will get this window. Then you need to click on the top right corner Google Apps and then you have this option Drive. Click this. After your Google Drive open, make sure that you are already logged in. Then you need to delete. For example, if I want to delete this file, I'll simply click on three dot and then click on delete. Move to trash and see it's deleted. But what if I want to select more? There is no option of when you start selecting, there is no option of selecting more files directly. So what you need to do, you need to simply, if you want to select for example 3-4 files, so use control button and then you can select 3-4 files and then you can simply click here and you can delete it. But if you want more files, more than 20, 30, 50, so simply you need to start selecting and then you need to press the shift button in the end and then you again scroll down, press shift again and then again do the same procedure. So for example, I have selected so many files. Right now you can select more files also. Then you simply click on the delete. It will take a while to delete. Now you see 46 items moved to trash. In the same way you can even delete more files. So you can delete as many files as you want easily, and if you want to rename the file, simply click on three dot and click on rename. So you can also rename the file. You can rename the file from here. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, don't forget to share with your friend and colleague. Take care, Allah Hafiz.